Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Tunisian stitch. So let's get started. So I'm going to make first of all a slip knot. As you can see, it's quite easy to make. Now I wanted to tell you that I'm going to use a 2mm crochet hook. So keeps parallel, the yarn and the hook both are parallels, then cross and then yarn over and pull through the loops. A one stitch is formed. Again, keeps parallel, cross, pull through, and you can see again parallel, cross and pull through the loops. Same as I am going to make a chain, a foundation chain or a base chain of 10 stitches. As you can see, I have made a foundation chain of 10 stitches. Now look at the carefully. I am not working in that stitch, I am working in that stitch. Look at this. I am going to make just a single crochet, pull through. Now you can see I have 2 loops on the hook, and the next one, insert into next one, pull through, next one, pull through, next one, pull through, and the next one, pull through. As you can see, again I'm going to repeat this method in the second round. This is the second round. Look at this. Now what you have to do is to pull through just one in the beginning. Now look at this. Now again pull through 2, again pull through 2, 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 and the same is going to repeat. As you can see. Now look at this carefully. I am not working in that loop, I am working in that loop. Again look at this carefully. Round 3 is going to start. Look at this. Pull through, again pull through, again the next one, same as I am going to make the pattern that I have made in the first round, in the second round. So again you can look, pull through 2, again pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, again 2, again 2, 2, 2 and 2. You can see. Again the same pattern is going to repeat. can see. Again, pull through just one. I think it's too tight, so keep it in moderate sense. This is just one. Okay, clear. Then two, pass two, two. You have to repeat this method. The method is same, but you have just to practice it. If you have such a skills. Two, again two, and this is, you can see. You can use this stitch by making the strips of your purse or any other thing that you wanted. Again, look at this. Pass between two, again two, two. The method is going to be same. As you can see. As you can see, I have made many rounds of that Tunisian stitch. You make it with many other material or items. If you have any query or ambiguity till that point, you may ask easily in the comment section. I will reply you inshallah. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.